rising prices, supply chain issues, and reports of contamination. These are just some of the reasons more people are turning to their own backyards for food security. In these uncertain times, knowing how to grow your own vegetables isn't just a hobby, it's a vital skill. Welcome to our new series, Emergency Gardening, where I'll guide you step by step on how to start a garden quickly and efficiently, no matter your experience level. Food shortages and soaring prices are becoming the new normal, making it harder to afford fresh, healthy vegetables. On top of that, recent contaminations in produce raise questions about what's really in our food. Growing your own garden puts the power back in your hands. Save money. A single pack of seeds can produce weeks of fresh produce for a fraction of the cost. Control quality. You'll know exactly what goes into your soil and onto your plants. Food security. A backyard garden ensures you'll have access to fresh food, no matter what's happening in stores. This series will show you how to start growing your own vegetables, even if you've never gardened before. In this series, we'll focus on practical, time-saving solutions to get your garden up and running as quickly as possible. Here's what you can expect. Planning your garden. How to choose the best location and set it up for success. Essential tools and supplies. What you need to start, even on a tight budget. Quick growing crops. The fastest vegetables you can grow to start harvesting sooner. Caring for your garden. Simple tips to keep your plants thriving with minimal effort. Harvesting and storing. How to make the most of your garden's bounty. Each episode will break down these topics step by step, so you'll have a complete guide to gardening in uncertain times. The best time to start your garden was yesterday. The next best time is today. With food shortages on the horizon, the sooner you start planting, the sooner you'll have fresh, homegrown vegetables to rely on. Don't wait for things to get worse. By the end of this series, you'll have the confidence and tools to grow your own food, no matter your space or skill level. Emergency gardening isn't just about growing food, it's about taking control of your future. Join me in this journey to create a garden that's sustainable, affordable, and life-changing. In the next episode, we'll dive into planning your garden, including how to choose the right spot and the easiest crops to grow. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Let's grow together, even in uncertain times. If you're ready to take control of your food security, hit the like button and comment below with what you'd like to grow in your garden. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates in this series. Let's get started, together.